बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है ओरिजिन्स ऑफ द कोल्ड वॉर, अ डिफरेंस इन ओपिनियन। 1945, the beginning of a long period of distrust and misunderstanding between the Soviet Union and its former allies in the West, particularly the US. Soviet Union believed a powerful central government should control government and economy. US believed that business should be private owned. Post War II Europe 1945. Western Europe and America are alarmed by Soviet advances in Eastern Europe. Many Europeans and Americans believed that the communists were trying to take over the world. March 1946. Winston Churchill warns of the Iron Curtain of Soviet totalitarianism. The Iron Curtain. Soviet dictator Joseph Stalin placed most of the Eastern European countries under the communist control. Eastern Bloc. The United States led the Western Bloc countries of Western Europe. The imaginary line separating the two was called the Iron Curtain. This is the map from Stin in the Balkans, the terrorists in the Adriatic. An Iron Curtain has descended across the continent. Behind that line lies the ancient capitals of Central and Eastern Europe. Sir Winston Churchill, 1946. So this is the map. You can see it for 1 minute. Next is division of Germany. End of WW2. Allies divided Germany into 4 sections to keep it from regaining power. US, Great Britain, France and Soviet Union each controlled a section. 1948. Western allies wanted to reunite Germany but Soviet disagreed. Soviet section became East Germany and the reunited sections became West Germany. Results of WW2. Germany was divided into 4 zones with allies watching them. Germany became divided into East and West Germany. East Germany Communist, West Germany Democratic. Post-war Germany, and this is the map. A nuclear war. Each side thought the other was trying to rule the world. Neither side would give up. People lived in fear that another world war would erupt. This time it could be a nuclear war which could destroy the entire planet. Countries began to form alliances to protect themselves. NATO. Western European countries, Canada and US formed the Nation Atlantic Treaty Organization. Each nation in NATO believed the Soviet Union would not attack Western Europe if the US would launch nuclear war in return. And this is the graph in 1949. And this is Warsaw Pact, 1952, 1955, 1982, 1990, 1999 and 2004. Thank you so much.